Yes, our next application is magnetic field inside the core of solenoid. Second application for Ampere's circuital law is magnetic field inside the solenoid. To find the magnetic field inside the solenoid, first I will remind you what is a solenoid. This is a solenoid. If current I is passing through this, then it behaves as a magnet, and here some magnetic field is created around this and inside the core. This is called core. This is insulated copper wire or any conductor which is wounded on any core. If we have air core, then there will be no any material. If there is magnetic core or any other dielectric material, then this is having any permeability material core. Here we have to find the air core. So we will take as air core means mu naught permeability medium. Got it? Now here we have to take number of turns. Suppose there are number of turns n, but we will use number of turn per unit length. Number of turn per unit length means small n is equal to capital N total number of turn divided by L length of solenoid. Suppose there are capital L length of solenoid, then number of turn, or we will say turn density. This is also called turn density, and it will remain throughout the solenoid. पूरे solenoid में ये नहीं बदलने वाली, क्योंकि हम इसको क्या ले रहे हैं कि पर यूनिट लेंथ में कितने नंबर ऑफ टर्न है. तो इसका मतलब पर यूनिट सेंटीमीटर, सपोज आपको 10 टर्न मिल रहे हैं या 100 टर्न मिल रहे हैं पर यूनिट सेंटीमीटर, तो ये आपको आप यहाँ से सोलिनॉइड को पिक कर ले, यहाँ से ले लें, यहाँ से ले लें, कहीं से भी ले लें, ये वैल्यू नहीं चेंज होने वाली. तो दिस इज अ कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट द solenoid. This is called turn density or number of turn per unit length. We will take total number of turn in solenoid with capital N and the length of solenoid capital small l, and this is called turn density. Now if current is in this direction which I have showing here, then the current according to conductor we can write क्या नाम है, as we assume that current these are conductor in circular shape, and we will fold our finger in the direction of current, then thumb indicate the direction of magnetic field, means magnetic field will inside this as start lines from the this end, means it behave as north, and according to this end that it behave as the magnetic field enters in this end, means it behave as south, and the direction of magnetic field will in the north to south outside the magnet or solenoid or any magnetic material, and inside the magnetic material the magnetic field line from south to north. This is the all about solenoid. Got it? How can we find the magnet, which end behave north and which end behave as south? Find the direction of magnetic field. If magnetic field start this end, then it behave as a north. If magnetic field enters or end at this end, then that end behave as the south. Got it? Now we will do the magnetic field inside the core with the help of Ampere's circuital law. What we have, we will consider any solenoid. When we will consider solenoid, then we have to take the characteristics of solenoid in form of turn density or in form of length. Consider in solenoid density small n. We can write here n is equal to capital N upon L. It is understood that capital N is total number of turn and small l is length of solenoid. And having air core. Got it? Now we will take, suppose we have a solenoid. This we have a solenoid, and if the direction of current is in such way, then what will be the direction of magnetic field? As I have already told you that we have information about the magnetic field already, due to which we can assume any Amperian loop having constant angle between B and yes, we have to find the magnetic field inside the core. Then we have to assume first Amperian loop inside the core. Suppose as we know कि हम एम्पीरियल लूप मानने से पहले हमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन पता होती है और हम सिमेट्रिकल फॉर्म में एम्पीरियल लूप एज्यूम करते हैं. सिमेट्रिकल मीन्स द थ्रू आउट द लूप और थ्रू आउट द लाइन सेगमेंट बी रिमेन सेम एंड एंगल बिटवीन बी एंड एल रिमेन सेम. सो to follow that condition we have to assume an Amperian loop in this shape. हमें Amperian loop इस शेप का लगभग assume करना होगा. क्यों इस शेप का हमने assume किया? This is the rectangular of x length A, B, C, D. Here AB is of x length and the direction of magnetic field in this, as we have know, direction of magnetic field is according to this. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन यहाँ पर जो होगी वो इस तरह होगी. Got it? और उसके बाद क्या होता है? उसके बाद जब सोलेनॉइड से बाहर आता है केवल इनसाइड द कोर ही स्ट्रेट रहती है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन. उसके बाद कोर के एंड से निकलने के बाद ही वो बेंड होना, कर्व होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टी वी हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 10 कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन कर्व होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. दीज आर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन. ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन है. ये कोर में से जाएंगी और उसके बाद निकलने के बाद टर्न होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. एंड व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन? फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू south, and the end where the current is anti-clockwise behave as north, and the end where the current is clockwise behaves as south. Here the current is clockwise means it behave as south, and means the current magnetic field line enters at this end and it behave as north, and magnetic field line leave this end, or we can say start this from this end. These are the magnetic field line. Now what is the symmetry of magnetic field line? And this is Amperian loop. Got it? Here we have Amperian loop in 4 segment AB, BC, CD and DA. Here we have Amperian loop in 4 segment. Then we will do according to Ampere's law. Close integration of B dl should equal to mu naught I. एम्पीरियन लॉ ये है, लेकिन हम यहाँ पर इसको 4 सेगमेंट में ही अप्लाई कर लेते हैं. 4 सेगमेंट फर्स्ट क्या है? AB लाइन के लिए प्लस BC लाइन BDL प्लस CD लाइन BDL प्लस DA लाइन B dl is equal to mu naught. And what is the current passing through this loop? Assume it, suppose we have this rectangular loop and the current which is passing through this is only considered. Suppose we have a rectangular loop and the current which is passing is this current. Now we will take, suppose I dash current is passing through this loop. Got it? इस करंट को कंसीडर करने के लिए हमें नेटिंग कढ़ाई वाले फ्रेम को एज्यूम करना है. जैसे कढ़ाई करने के लिए नेडल ऊपर निकालते हैं तो वो सारी करंट हम एक डायरेक्शन में लेंगे और नेडल नीचे जाती है वो करंट दूसरी डायरेक्शन में होगी. तो यहाँ हमारे पास इस एम्पीरियल लूप से ये सारी करंट ऊपर आ रही है, यानी कि यहाँ करंट की डायरेक्शन क्या है. सपोज ये एम्पीरियल लूप है और यहाँ करंट की डायरेक्शन ऊपर आ रही है, यानी कि आउटवर्ड निकलते हुए है, आउटवर्ड है. तो ये करंट की डायरेक्शन है. गॉट इट? और उसके बाद यहाँ आकर के ये करंट की डायरेक्शन क्या हो जाएगी, ये इनवर्ड हो जाएगी. These are the inward direction and these are the outward direction. But we have inside the loop only outward direction, not inward, because this is the amperial loop और सारी करंट इस लूप में से बाहर ही आ रही है, इस लूप के अंदर नहीं जा रही है. हमने इस लूप की एक साइड सॉलिनॉइड के अंदर एज्यूम की है. अगर हम इस पूरे को सॉलिनॉइड को अंदर ले लेते तो ऊपर भी और बाहर भी हमें दोनों अंदर ही मिलती लूप के. लेकिन हमने कोर पे एक लाइन ली हुई है तो कोर के इस तरफ करंट केवल ऊपर आ रही है, अंदर नहीं जा रही है. मीन्स वी हैव ओनली वन डायरेक्शन करंट एंड विच सपोज आई डैश करंट. टोटल करंट इज आई डैश विच इज पासिंग थ्रू इन दिस लूप. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव, दिस इज द वेक्टर फॉर्म. Dot product of BDL. Now we will check the angle between BDLs. We will write here AB, BDL cos. What is the angle for AB? AB and magnetic field line, these are in the same direction. और I will write here BA. अगर मैं इस लाइन सेगमेंट को इस तरह से assume कर लूं, A B C D, then AB is in direction and magnetic field also in this direction, then we will write cos 0. Angle between DL and B is 0 plus BC, we have BC and magnetic field lines in this side perpendicular to BC, then we will write here BDL cos 90 plus cos integration. What is the direction of here? Here the direction I will write 180 BDL cos 180 plus DA. DA means this, and in this line the magnetic field is perpendicular to this line segment, and we will write here BDL cos 90 is equal to mu naught I dash. What we have? This is cos 90 got 0. This will be 0. And here B will be 0. B is equal to 0 means the total term also will be 0. We have 4 terms, and in this 4 term, this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0. This term becomes 0 because there is no magnetic field line. Magnetic field line is turned circular and go away from the solenoid. So just outside the solenoid there are no magnetic field line. So we will write B is equal to 0. Now we have only one term, AB BDL cos 01 is equal to mu naught I dash. As B remains same throughout the segment of line, then it will be outside the integration. DL is equal to mu naught I dash. B, what is the line integral of DL? Here we have considered X line. X mu naught I dash. The integration of DL give total length of line segment, that is we have taken suppose L. We have taken amperial loop of rectangular of one side. X is equal to L along the core. Then here we will place I dash in terms of I as total number of turn density X, then total number of turn in this line segment or in this loop will be Nx, as X is the length. This is the total number of turn. Then total current I will replace by I dash should be equal to Nxi. I dash is the current which is passing through line segment, and here the total one, एक करंट एक वायर में से एक टर्न में से I करंट जा रही है. यहाँ पर टोटल कितने टर्न है इस लाइन सेगमेंट में? टोटल है nx टर्न, क्योंकि n टर्न यूनिट लेंथ में से है और हमने x लेंथ ली है, तो कितने टर्न हो गए? nx टर्न. एक टर्न में से कितनी करंट जा रही है? I करंट. तो टोटल कितनी करंट इसमें से निकली है? nxi. We will place I dash in I dash will replace by the nxi. This is the total current which is passing through Amperian loop. Here the total number of turn passing through Amperian loop is nx, and the current passing through one loop is I. So total current will nxi. We will place I dash by nxi. Then B is equal to x is equal to Bx is equal to mu naught nxi. Then it will be cancelled out. B is equal to mu naught ni. This is the magnetic field inside the core due to having current I, and the magnetic field inside the core remains constant. क्यों constant है ये? Because it depends on all the constant term. Mu naught remains constant until and unless the core is remain same. Here we have taken air core, then that's why we have taken probability of free space or air. Number of turn remains constant until and unless solenoid will change, and it is the characteristics of particular specific solenoid. When we have consider any solenoid, it means n remains constant, n नहीं बदलेगा. I remains same until and unless the source of external electricity will change. So these all term will not change on changing the place. जगह बदलने से कि अब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड यहाँ चाहिए, यहाँ चाहिए, यहाँ चाहिए, कोर के अंदर प्लेस बदलने से इन तीनों टर्म में से कोई भी चीज नहीं बदल रही है. इसका मतलब सॉलिनॉइड के कोर के अंदर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड नहीं चेंज होता. थ्रू आउट द कोर इट विल रिमेन सेम, एंड कांस्टेंट वैल्यू इज म्यू नॉट एंड आई. गॉट इट? This is all about magnetic field inside the core with the help of Ampere's circuital law.